We're going to go to Alexander. There
Thank
you are.
you. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Perfect. I want to use my lightning talk to advertise my poster on the topic of lunar exosphere simulation. Now, in this study, we set up a multi-element Monte Carlo simulation of the lunar exosphere that tracks four particles, atomic and molecular hydrogen, as well as hydroxyl and water particles. Now, the key was to link these four species through dissociative processes in the exosphere and through geochemical reactions in the lunar surface. And these conversion processes allowed us to connect the loss mechanisms of one of the elements with the source mechanisms of the other three elements. And we found changes in the dynamics of the exosphere, and these led to universally higher densities, especially at the morning terminator region, which stretching from pole to pole means that also the ballistic transportation to PSRs at higher latitudes was increased. And yeah, time's really short. I hope this was enough to raise your interest. If you want to know more about it, I'll be happy to meet you during the poster session. Thank you very much.
Brilliant. Thank you.